Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make your coffee creamy. First, choose your preferred creamer, whether it's dairy or a plant-based alternative. Warming your creamer slightly before mixing helps prevent it from cooling your coffee too much. For an extra luxurious feel, use a small frother or whisk to create a light, airy texture. You can even add a tiny pinch of baking soda to your coffee grounds before brewing for a surprisingly smooth finish. These simple steps will elevate your morning cup. For a classic creamy coffee, whole milk is an excellent choice, providing a naturally rich texture. If you prefer a dairy-free option, oat milk is fantastic. It froths beautifully and adds a subtle sweetness. Another great technique is to use an immersion blender directly in your mug for about 15 seconds. This creates a wonderfully smooth and integrated creaminess. Experiment with different creamers and methods to find your perfect creamy coffee experience. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. On another note, while you're enjoying your perfectly creamy coffee, why not set the mood with some music or get the news? The Echo Dot smart speaker can bring your space to life with just your voice. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other fantastic deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. To further enhance your coffee's creaminess, consider adding a small amount of unsalted butter or coconut oil. This creates a velvety texture and can add a subtle flavor. For a sweeter, denser creaminess, blend in a spoonful of sweetened condensed milk. Always ensure your coffee is hot when adding creamers. This helps them integrate smoothly without clumping. These additions can transform your regular coffee into a decadent treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.